description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one. This is Ayam. And this is from Malaysia for the Hong Kong market. This is a Malaysian black pepper noodle. It's interesting because it comes in this box, and this box has 3 packs. And they look like this. It's quite a presentation for a 3-pack. But this is a really popular brand. They make all sorts of cooking stuff. Like, I did an Assam laksa one time. Then I used Ayam mackerel, I believe. Ayam just means chicken. So I used chicken of the sea. Anyways, 5 minutes. Okay, they want you to reserve just a little of the, it says a spoon of cooking water. I'll have you know, this is a non-fried noodle, and yes, you get to watch. Did I say 3 minutes? 5 minutes? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. So let's get this show on the road. 5 minutes for this non-fried noodle. So yeah, Christmas is all gone. It's over. There's no more Christmas here. Not that. How about that? Perfect. But yeah, Christmas is over. All the Christmas has been put back to where it belongs. We switched out our carpets. That's kind of exciting for us. We're very excitable people, as you can tell. Yeah, the carpet that was under the arcade machine before is now in the living room, and we found this amazing thing. It's called carpet tape. I'd heard of it before, and I asked my wife, I was like, you get the carpet tape? Because the carpet would like keep lifting up and junk. She's like, I don't think you can put it down with tape. I'm like, no, I think they make this stuff. Carpet tape. And sure enough, they do. And they did. And we have. And we've done. And yeah. And the Roomba went around and Roombafied. I said it because it was in mothballs during Christmas. I mean, with a tree skirt, forget about it. But we got it back out. It's all set up. I scheduled it. It won't go on the weekends. And it will go as soon as I leave to take the kids out to the bus in the mornings on the weekdays. So I'm never even going to see the thing doing what it does, except if I open up the app, which I did when I was out walking today, and go, oh, look, it says Roomba is cleaning. So I also I went to the thrift store today. So I got my son Miles this neat like calculator thing, but it didn't work. So I returned it, and when you return junk there, they give you store credit, and they just write it on the back of the receipt you bring back, right? So I had like $8.25 of store credit. Doodling around there, I was thinking, maybe I'll find a new plate to use for today's reviews. And I didn't find that, but I found an Echo button. And literally, it's like a big button. And you can set it to do whatever you want. I currently have it set now to turn the TV on and off. So you just push the button and it'll turn this setup on and off. So that's handy. I like it. But yeah, so I had 8 1/4 on my receipt, and the lady's like, I'm just gonna because the thing was $350 plus tax. And she's like, I'm just gonna make it $325, and I don't want to do the math. So you got $5 left on your credit. Sweet, already making money off of returning something. So that was nice. Things still had batteries in it. So yeah, it lights up. Just as long as the kids aren't gonna go crazy with it, then it'll be fine. Why are you like not boiling like a madman? But yeah, it was really good to get out walking, and I'm happy. I'm happy. Today is flying by though. It's already 2 o'clock. Wow. Tomorrow I'm gonna do more walking, and the next day, and the next day. I guess Friday is supposed to be when we really start getting some rain. But yeah, I've got a shout out to give to old Reverend Dick Gazinia. He's been in the hospital a lot lately. But I ain't gonna hold my homie down. Hopefully he's feeling better very soon. That would be good. Gotta get out of there. He's got hell to cause people, you know, starting doing things and such. Good guy. But yeah. It is Monday. The last 2 weeks have been crazy because Christmas was on a Wednesday and New Year's Day was on a Wednesday. So everything just felt really screwy. These seem to be done. Non-fried noodle, huh? I'm hoping. I'm very hopeful for this. Alright, and we will drain. This one doesn't make that crazy noise that that cup in the last episode did. I enjoyed that thoroughly. Oh, and I gotta reserve just a little. That should be about that much, yeah. Man, this... There we go. So this is like, I guess, a garlic infused oil. That sounds divine. We shall see. Yeah, I smell the garlic. Ah. The kids are begging for snow. Nothing like that on the forecast over the next 10 days. That's for certain. It's not even getting down to freezing during the night. But that could change any day now. And we could end up getting just like dumped on out of nowhere. We'll see. That'd make the kids happy. They're like, we're gonna make snow angels in the parking lot. No you're not. Snow angels in the parking lot? That's gross. You know what we have in the parking lot? Dirt and muck. It's nice on top, but when you get down a little bit, that's not going to be super fun. But I know where I'll take them. I'll take them down to City Hall And right next to City Hall, they have a nice little park, and it's just a big field of green, so they can make a Christmas or a snowman. I don't know why, but if it snows and it's not before Christmas, it just seems like wrong to make a snowman. But I guess it really isn't, is it? Oh, I want a really good snow. I like watching people trying to get around in the snow. I like going in like deep snow and tranching along. Alright, so we have a black pepper noodle. You know, black pepper was a very expensive delicacy in years gone by. The spice trade, Spice Islands, that kind of thing. When black pepper was discovered and brought to Europe, people would coat, here's a chicken, let's coat it completely in black pepper. I mean, way too much of it. People loved it. All right, cheers. Say, that's pretty good. I'll try another bite of that. It's almost like a black pepper, and I feel like I'm getting a bit of a seafood bump to it. I think this one had a little bit of oyster extract in there. Yeah, I got a little bit of... Yeah, that's decent. There's a lot of black pepper in there. And like I said in the last episode, I really don't have anything prepped for garnish. This is kind of like a... let's just get back into the swing of things episodes kind of day. There we go. But everything seems to be working, and I like that. So yeah. Well, Thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Donate, please, for the love of God. Have a good one. Bye-bye.